Jesse Radhe, Progressive Shorthand, March 2021, Exercise 4, Dictation 80 words per minute, start. I would like to utilize the occasion to tell you and the nation what my government will do in the next 3 months. Full stop. All of us are legitimately concerned about the prolonged downturn in the economy. Full stop. Industry especially is looking to the government to take necessary steps to kick-start the economy. Full stop. This is no doubt dictated by the objective of faster economic growth. Full stop. But it is also necessitated by my own government's stated goal of creating at least 10 million new jobs each year in the economy. Full stop. We shall soon announce a series of schemes to mobilize investable funds from idle resources existing in the country but unavailable to the exchequer. Full stop. In consultation with trade and industry, we will take all necessary steps to reduce the currently untenable level of NPAs of banks and financial institutions. Full stop. We will also devise machinery for resolving disputes between the revenue departments and trade and industry to speedily obtain for the government what is legitimately the state's. Full stop. Also, suitable policy measures will be taken to tap new and unconventional sources of funding such as debt market instruments, pension and insurance funds for infrastructure projects. Full stop. The government is committed to broaden, deepen and speed up the process of internal liberalization. Full stop. In the case of globalization, we will adopt a carefully calibrated approach for region. Most of you appreciate. Full stop. The government will play the role less and less of an active player in the economy and more of a legislator, facilitator and regulator. Full stop. Where necessary, it will be the protector of India's commerce and industry. Full stop. My government's relationship with industry will be based on trust, not marred by mistrust. Full stop. I come from a political tradition that does not look upon commerce and industry with suspicion. Full stop. When it was conventional political expediency to decry entrepreneurship, we championed their cause. Full stop. As a government, we will do more. Full stop. As a concrete proof of this approach, we will soon appoint a commission to comprehensively review in a short time frame all the administrative laws, rules and regulations governing industry and trade. Full stop. Such of them which have outlived their utility will be either totally scrapped or radically simplified. Full stop. With the move, we aim to enable Indian entrepreneurs, small, medium or big, to create more wealth for themselves and the nation, the companies act will be drastically overhauled. Full stop. The Foreign Exchange Regulation Act will be replaced with a legislation consistent with the current needs. Full stop. We shall ensure that critical crucial government orders are not passed without first ascertaining their consequences. Full stop. On domestic industry, many of the problems faced by industry are at the state and local levels as such now.